Here's a simple demo of Hydra and the idea behind it. Hydra is built on top of Spring Cloud Gateway. It serves as a common connection point that remains active while services behind the scenes can go down, restart, get new versions, etc. Practically, I have a very simple example here with two services, Service A and Service B. Both are simple Spring Boot applications with Medusa implemented as a UI framework. If I connect to Service A through Hydra, it just serves like a normal reverse proxy. In other words, it just shows me the page that I requested. If we have a look at the code, we can see that we have a menu defined in Service A. It's the nav h menu top menu. This is us telling Hydra, fill this up with whatever top menu is according to Hydra. In our event handler, we have an @Hydra menu annotation, which defines which endpoint counts as being part of top menu. So we see this reflected in our page as well. We have one service running, Service A. It has a top menu, and our current page, annotated with a Hydra menu annotation, is present. If we now bring up Service B, which has a similar setup, we can see that Service B comes available as an option in our menu. No refresh required. We feed this into the WebSocket updates you get from Medusa. We can use the menu, and you'll see that the styling changes as well. Both Service A and Service B have a style.css in their HTML, but the CSS for Service A is unique to Service A, and the same thing is for Service B. So you don't need to worry about that while building the individual services, and Hydra will rewrite the URLs internally as required and handle the routing appropriately. Finally, we can bring Service A down, and we see the menu update in real time accordingly. Next step for this would be to have diff handling online and offline, so that the links don't just appear or disappear, but they could be active or inactive. We also want to have fallback URLs by default, so that when you're on Service A and it goes down, you can be guided to a fallback page instead of just get a 404. And lastly, we also want to have a shared security context for these apps, so that you basically have SSO built in within all of these micro frontends. You can just use Spring Security on the apps, and you'll only be prompted with a login once, with the credentials propagating through whichever micro frontend you're calling seamlessly.